What's up, YouTube? I'm doing some work in the backyard and I want to show you guys something real quick. About a month ago, I noticed there was two little green frogs living on my screen door in the back, on the back door. I don't know what kind of frogs they are, but I could tell you they done triple or quadruple in size, even though they are still very small. But they are green. And let me show you. They stay right here. There it is. And the other one is right here. So for the past month, these frogs has been living right where you see them. They actually use the doggy door right here. This is their access in and out. You see that gap? They use that gap. So every night these frogs leave out. So obviously they are nocturnal. So obviously they feed at night. And then when it's daylight, they come right back and they go back to the same spot and they stay there all day. They even poop on the glass. Let me show you. That's frog poop. Another one right there. Another one right there. That's frog poop. These guys, they did it. So if you guys know what kind of frog they are, please leave it in the comment section, because I don't know what the hell they are. So until the next video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you turn on your bell notification so you will be notified of new uploads. This is Bwoy TV. I'm out.